By the way, on that whole microwave thing, it's pulling 7 amps at 220 volts, and it was 1561 watts. So yeah, some serious power. Now that that's stopped, my battery's gone back to 12.2 volts. So yeah, it'll run it, but I tell you what, I would conserve power in a storm or cyclone or whatever, because it's going to suck the guts out of your batteries. Hope that helps. Hey there, YouTube fans. So the question is, will a 2000 watt inverter with 4000 watt peak with 480 amp hours, I believe that is. Let's see, solar power, pretty sure they're 120 amp hours each. Anyway, I'm pretty sure they are. I can't see exactly, but anyway, take my word for it. I'm pretty sure they're 120 amp hours each. Will it run a microwave, which is, this bad boy is, wow, 1400 to 1450 watt. Rated output microwave, 850 to 900 watt. Rated input microwave. So it's up to like between 900 and 1400 and 1450. This is just a standard Kmart microwave. So will it work? Says it all, doesn't it? I'm actually just reheating because it's already done 2 minutes, but sucked the batteries quite nicely though. The batteries are showing 11.6. It was 13.8 earlier, so it'll suck a lot of power, but it'll get the job done. You watch 30 seconds and beep, you got hot water in the microwave. Hope this helps. God bless. Teacher Sal out.